welcome to Laughing Jade Self-Care Inspirations. I'm Mindy Reeves, and today we're gonna just go through a really quick thing that you can do for your jaw if you're experiencing jaw pain or migraine headaches or just a little bit of tension. This can really help, and you can try this if you're having active pain or if you're going to bed at night and you know you are a grinder, you have bruxism, or when you wake up in the morning, if you feel like you were grinding your teeth all night and everything's just really locked up, this is a great place to start. So I'll just give you a brief overview of anatomy here. We've got a huge muscle here called your masseter. This is your chewing muscle. It originates from the lower side of your cheekbone and comes down to your lower jaw. We've also got fibers that run up into the sides of the head here. So what we're going to start with is just taking our fingers, locating our cheekbone, coming to the underside of it, and you'll feel a ridge. In some people it's more pronounced than others, but you should know pretty obviously when you've found the right spot. So we're just using all 4 fingers here to press in, and it's a gentle pressure in and up. So just pressing and holding. And once you get here, if this is very intense, just come to your level of intensity that's comfortable for you. You don't want to be feeling like, oh, this is really painful and I hate it so much. It should feel like a good, productive pain. So you're pressing and holding, and if it feels okay, we can just slowly and gently start to open the jaw. As far as you can, comfortably, and then closing slowly. And doing that once or twice or even 3 times. When you're done, just taking the fingers, moving them a little bit forward of where they were. And the same thing, pressing and holding, opening and closing. And then we can draw the fingers in. So the inside finger, you can use all 4, or if depending on the length of your fingers, I just use 3. You can bring the ring finger right to the outsides of the nostrils, and then the middle finger underneath this bottom corner of the cheekbone, and then the pointer finger. So this is pushing in and up. And you can do the jaw stretch here if you'd like, but not as necessary on this one. So just pressing and holding, focusing on relaxing the cheeks, and we're breathing big, full breaths. So one thing I think is really great with all this stuff is to really start to elongate your out breath. That's going to activate your parasympathetic nervous system, and especially with jaw tension, it's sometimes triggered by anxiety, and really slowing down your breathing can start to slow down your mind, slow down everything. So coming back up to this original starting point, we're going to now do a press and slide down. So as I do this, I'm going to stretch my jaw open. So I start here, pressing up and in. And I'm going to coordinate with the breath. So inhale and exhale. And then moving forward. And one more time in the center. So you can do that twice more, 3 times more, until you really start to feel it loosening up. So let's take the pointer fingers right to the sides of the nose. This is above the nostrils, so we're now on the top side of our cheekbone. So we're pressing in gently here. The thumbs can kind of come to rest back here on the jaw. And we're just going to take an inhale and exhale, sweep back towards our thumb. So I'll turn to the side. And then coming down. We're underneath the jawbone or the cheekbone here. And then coming to the chin. So it's your choice if you'd like to do this with dry hands or if you'd like to use some jojoba oil or some face cream here. Either way is really good. So after you've done these little sweeps, we're going to bring the pointer fingers up to the insides of the eyebrows. The thumbs are going to be here by right in front of the ears, right at the jaw, and we're going to trace the eyebrows. So taking an inhale and just arcing around. So inhale, exhale, sweeping, letting go of stress. And after we finish that, taking all 4 fingers right here. So we've got the pinky fingers kind of at the outside corner of your eyebrow, and the pointer finger is at the front of the ear, right at the jaw connection. The other 2 fingers are in between. Taking an inhale and exhale, sweep it up into the scalp. So take your hair down if it's in a ponytail. This feels so good. And you can bring the fingertips all the way together in the back. So continuing to inhale and exhale as you do this. So your scalp has muscles in it. And these muscles and the fascia that runs in and across are all connected to your face, your jaw, your neck. So all of these things can help improve the way your neck feels, the way your back feels, your face, all of these things. So let's do the underside of the jaw now. So I'm going to bring 3 fingers right underneath the chin. So you'll notice you have jawbone here. You want to be right underneath. And gentle pressure, we're going to sweep back and up towards the ear. So using your breath, inhale, exhale, sweep. So as you do this, you're also running over some other structures like this sternocleidomastoid muscle. So this is another really important muscle that gets really tight and painful and can cause tension headaches and migraines. So taking 2 fingers or all 4 if it's comfortable, right behind, right underneath the earlobe, and taking an inhale as you exhale, sweeping down, so all the way down towards this notch that is formed by the 2 clavicles. Just relaxing, and you can allow the fingers to spread out on the sides of the neck as you do this. And then we're going to stretch the sides of the neck a little bit, so taking one hand, and as you exhale, sweep down the side. The other side. And bringing the head back up to neutral. So let's work on the lips a little bit. So we're going to take your lobster claw fingers, bring them to the upper and lower lips, and we're just going to pinch. And it looks super funny, so you might want to do this in front of the mirror for comic relief. So pinching and holding. So as you do this, you notice these little guys right here get really tight. So you can pinch them vertically, and you can pinch them horizontally. And this is a great little fascial release for the cheeks here. You can stay here, or you can slide. So to do this one, thumb is back here, right at the back edge of the jaw. We've got a little hook here, and pinching and sliding. This is where lotion does help a little bit, but not necessary. You can do one at a time or both at the same time. It helps make faces. And this one can be utilized higher up in the cheeks. You can press and slide all the way up and back down. So this little hook fascia slide is something that you can do pretty much anywhere on the body. So you can do it down the fronts of the necks. You can do it here on the side and back of the neck. So to finish, it's really nice to just pinch your fingers, bring them to your earlobes, and give yourself an ear massage. We're just pressing and rolling all around our ears. And then a little shampoo all over the scalp. And so this is just treating yourself, telling yourself that you are awesome, you are beautiful, you are wonderful, and you deserve to feel relaxed. Cool. So, thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have gotten something out of this. Please let me know how it went for you and anything else that you are interested in seeing me talk about. Have a wonderful, pain-free day.